Okay.
Don't make it shaky.
Well, he'll do his best. It's okay. Okay, so when we do half faces, you're going to need to get a piece of the scratch paper. You're going to fold it into quarters, okay? This is going to be your measuring tool, okay, because we're not going to use a ruler. We're just going to use paper. When we're working on faces, we usually think the sides of your face are the same, right? One side to the other. And that's how we're going to draw them. Although in real life, one side of the face is not exactly the same as the other side of the face.
Why? Because one has more and one doesn't.
Yeah, like look at my ears, or look at somebody's ears. One's higher than the other.
Seriously?
Yeah, seriously, look. One's higher than the other.
That one's closer. That one's more far back.
Yeah, like yours, this one's higher.
Which one?
Okay,
Your ears are tucked in. Yeah, I know.
so it's the bottoms. So yeah, people's faces aren't exactly the same on both sides, but for the sake of learning how to draw faces, we're just going to do half, and we're going to mirror it. So we're going to use the corner of the paper because this is 90 degrees, and we can repeat this, right?
Yes.
Like if we turn this, we know this is 90 degrees. This is all the measurements we take are going to be 90 degrees. So you're always going to be lining this up at the center of your paper, and the center of your face. Sorry. Is that better? The center of your face. First line we make is going to go underneath the eye. And then we're going to continue that across. We want to have it underneath the colored part of the white.
I think someone farted. Is this gonna go on YouTube?
Yes.
Oh.
So I would
We're gonna
refrain.
get so many hits.
But seriously, I think someone did.
Shush.
We're from Phillipsburg Middle School.
Okay, guys.
My mommy's gonna be so proud of you.
Underneath the nose, on top of the lip area, below the lips, and it's always with this lined up with the center line of the face.
Always?
Always.
Okay.
So you draw where the nose is?
Yeah, we need to know where everything goes.
Got the cruise
So we can't use this other face hole?
You gotta get the papers.
Guys, don't whisper.
Yeah.
There you go.
Okay, so I'm making lines so that I know where everything is going to go, right? And then I'm going to start, please stop repeating that over and over. Okay, thank you. So, from the center to the tear duct, okay, I'm not going to take the wrinkles, but I'm going to take where the whites and the inside of the tear duct to the outside of the white. It's that. Okay, see how I've marked? I can turn this over, and I know that that's the same distance from the center as the eye on the other side, so I can make those marks.
Oh,
Okay, so I'm